Why did my car insurance premiums increase after an accident? Have you ever wondered why your car insurance premiums went up after you had an accident? It can be frustrating, especially if you feel like you are a safe driver. Let's break down the reasons behind this increase and what factors come into play. When you are involved in an accident, insurance companies often see this as a sign of higher risk. If you are found to be at fault, your premiums are likely to rise more significantly. This is because being at fault suggests that you may have a higher chance of being involved in future accidents. On the other hand, if you are not at fault, the increase might be smaller or even non-existent, depending on the laws in your area. The severity of the accident also plays a role in how much your premiums will increase. If the accident resulted in injuries or significant damage to property, you can expect a larger hike in your rates. Insurers take into account the potential costs they may face when determining your new premium. Different insurance companies have their own policies regarding rate increases after accidents. Some may raise your premiums more than others based on their assessment of risk. This means that if you switch companies, you might find a better rate, especially if your previous insurer had a strict policy. Your overall driving history is another important factor. If you have a record of accidents or traffic violations, your premiums may rise more sharply after an accident. Insurers look at your past behavior to predict future risk, so a clean driving record can help keep your rates lower. Location can also affect how much your premiums increase. Different states have different laws and regulations regarding insurance rates. In some places, there are limits on how much an insurer can raise your rates after an accident, which can help protect you from steep increases. Typically, the increase in your premiums after an accident can last for several years, often around 3 years. If you maintain a clean record during that time, your rates may eventually return to pre-accident levels. Understanding these factors can help you prepare for potential premium increases after an accident. It is also a good idea to review your policy and consider shopping around for quotes if you feel the increase is unfair. By being informed, you can make better decisions about your car insurance and possibly save money in the long run.